lovely people. How is your day going? Don't forget to leave in the comments how your day is going. Mine's going fantastic because I have 2 food subscription boxes, well, they're snack subscription boxes to unbox. And I don't normally do this, but, sorry, my phone was ringing. I don't usually do snack subscription boxes, so I am so excited. Now, both of these were kindly sent to me, so I put them together instead of making separate videos because I don't know, I just wanted to put them together since they're both food subscriptions and so that you can pick which one that you might like better. Both of them are a little bit different, but I definitely recommend both of these. I haven't opened them up, but they're snack subscriptions, so I recommend them. All right, but all jokes aside, let's just get started. So this is the Munchpak, and I believe this is $23.95 a month, and you get 10 snacks. Now, they have smaller ones that I think they start off at like $9.95. I'm not sure exactly the one that I got, so let's open her up and see what it is. All right, I don't know if I showed you. That's what it looks like. All right, so I have 2 little things. All right, so I do have a promo code. If you use Just Ann, you save $3 off. So that's pretty good. I'll leave the URL down below. So that's exciting. It doesn't say, let's see which one this is. I don't know. All right, so let's just open her up and see. All right, oh, so it's packed with some nice goodies right there. I want to say this has like the 10 things in here. I don't know. Let's just get started. So the first thing I got is a Jack and Jill roller coaster potato rings. So you get that. Then I got black truffle potato chips. Ooh, what is this? This is heavy. I was wondering what was so heavy. So this is a cherry limeade soda. Now I don't like anything sour, so I will definitely either give this to my husband or my son. They'll definitely like that. It is cherry limeade cream soda. All right, that's glass. So let me put that down. All right, then we got this, what is this? Looks like peanuts. Mini asparagus-shaped black sesame biscuits. Right there. And then we got, what is this? It looks like chocolate. Albany, right there. We have some more chocolate. I think this is the one that, let's see, Munchpak is founded November 2003 with the goal of finding out of the ordinary delicious snacks that can't be found in just any convenience store, with the unique of them to the doors of all snacks. Let's see. So this is treats all around the world. Okay, because at first I'm like, oh, because it is in different language. So this is all around the world. I like that. So that's pretty cool. So you get these things right there. They're like little chocolate thingies. I like that a lot. So then you have this whole grains energy bar. So right there. So this stuff might be from Korea or something. Does it say where it's from? Let's see. I should have been more prepared. I don't know. I'll leave it down below. Then we have this super lemon. Oh God, I don't like sour things, but my son loves sour things. We have this festival vanilla cookies right there. Then we have these gummies right here. And 2 more things. There's lemon, feels like cookies, and like a crispy treats. So that's what we have in there. Like I said, this is all around the world. So maybe this is themed like every country, like every month. I'll leave everything down below. So, because I had this for a while, and I'm just getting a chance to unbox it now. All right, so that is so cool that you get to try things from different countries. I love that so much. I really do. All right, so then we have the Variety Fun. Now, this is a new subscription. They are based in New York, and I am from New Jersey, so I like that. There's different ones you can get. So when you sign up, it either tells you, I'm going to go to it so I can read you what it says. It either says, do you want stuff for the office or, you know, just for like snacks? So there's different ones that you can get. You can choose number 1, which is a 25 count, and it's like fun box, like classic snacks, and that's $19.99 a box. Then you can get a 40 count, which I believe that's what I got, which is $24.99. And then you can get the fit box, which is 15 healthy snacks, and that is $24.99. And then for 30 count for the fit box for the healthy snacks is $39.99. So I got the fun box, and I only know that because I told her which one that I wanted. So this is what it looks like, and I'm definitely excited. Ooh, okay, so it has a little card. All right, and that thing is filled up. So you get 40 snacks for, how much was it? $24.99 a month for $25. You can't beat that. So let's see. These are my favorite Doritos right there. You get Doritos, you get some barbecue chips, you get kettle corn. These are all the classic snacks. You get the cheese doodles, the Lay's barbecue, which my son loves that. You get the cheddar and cheese. My husband loves that kind. You get animal crackers. You get some Cheez-Its, different flavored Cheez-Its. Let's put that down. So I'm going to show you. Look how much you still get. Many, many more things. Okay. Who remembers these Funyuns? So good. Cheetos, classic. Veggie straws. My son loves them. Then you get the circus animal crackers with the icing on them. Cheese doodles, yes. Hot fries, yes, yes, yes. You get organic cookies, okay. I love these Ritz Bites. So you get some Ritz Bites. You get Keebler M&M cookies, one of my favorites. Vanilla wafers, yes. Chocolate chip cookies. I mean, it just keeps going on and on. I mean, look at that, guys. You get Oreos. You get, I love these, sweet and salty. These are like one of my favorite of these, of the Nature Valleys, if I can get that out. You get like little gummy thingies. Remember these? The Grandma Chocolate Brownies? Oh my God. Look at this. You get peanuts, roll up. I mean, the spicy cheddar crackers, the lemon cream. I mean, you get, these are one of my favorites. Oh my God. The Nutter Butters. Oh God, so good. Yeah, so that's everything that you, I mean, you get a lot of stuff. 40 snacks for $24.99 is not bad. And then, I mean, so I like both of them. I don't know what I would pick because for the other one, now you only get like 10 for almost the same price, but it's in different countries. So you get to try things from other countries. I mean, that alone is like amazing. And you can either, and I'm talking about the Munchpak, you can either 5, 10, or 20. So I like that, and the variety pack is really up my alley too. I mean, this is great for like my kid, for his lunch, and you know, when you want something to snack on, 40 snacks, and you can get the lesser one, which is $19.99, or you can get the healthy fit one if you're more into like fit. So yeah, I like everything here. Let me know what you think of this. Do you like these kind of food subscription boxes? Like I said, now, if I continue to get this, I will do separate videos, but because I'm so behind and it's the end of the month, I wanted to combine them together and then you guys see what do you like better. With the Munchpak, I do have the $3 that you get to save that off. And like I said, I'll leave everything down below. Let me know what you think. I'm getting ready to munch on something right now. I was trying to behave. But yeah, let me know what you think, guys. Please like this video. Like this video if you like food unboxings. Like this video if you're having a good day. And don't forget to let me know in the comments down below how your day is going. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to see more of me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.